Orlando home inspector explains flashing. What is it and why is it important? Flashing is a construction detail used to seal and protect joints in a building from water penetration. The joints created by the intersection of the roof and roof-mounted structure and projections such as parapets, hatches, skylights, chimneys, fence stacks, or towers are among the most vulnerable areas of roofing systems. Flashing is used at these intersections to keep rainwater from leaking into the building. Flashing is installed at intersecting roofs and parapets and walls. It is typically consists of angled strips of corrosion-resistant material that overlap in such a way as to discourage water entrapment. What flashing must do. The primary purpose of flashing is to collect, control, and discharge water. There are many areas in the building envelope where flashing should be installed. Simply stated, flashing should be installed where materials stop, start, or change directions. Flashing should discharge water out of the wall or off the roof with a path to daylight. Opposite is a chimney cricket flashing detail. The importance of flashing over and around windows frames is illustrated below. On the left is a photo of no flashing, and on the right is a diagram of the proper technique. The importance of kick-out wall-to-roof flashing. Without it, water will invade roof and wall cavities and cause extensive damage. How not to install L-wall flashing. The surface tension of water will fall behind the wall flashing as it is installed here. It also does not have any kick-out flashing installed. The diagram illustrates typical flashing locations. Kick-out, chimney cap, chimney roof, foundation, window and door sills at balcony decks, roof-to-wall locations, window locations. Call me to avoid purchasing a home with moisture intrusion issues.